Trump is pumping everyone. He's trying to dump everything. Now, I was like, we were all having a discussion. We were just checking how Trump was doing business. He will have a magnificent idea. He'll take a loan, implement the idea. He will implement it in one go. There's no step-by-step process, no strategic planning, no scenario planning, nothing. He will implement it. Suddenly, everything will burst against his face. He will drop the company. If you can put it in any of the ChatGPT or Perplexity and see, he must have opened so many businesses right from 1995. He has been opening, taking money, defaulting the banks and doing it. Now take that business way, take his way of doing business and put it into American economy. He has become the president. Now he feels he is the CEO of America. Is his mind very clear? No, there is no step-by-step process. He is trying to quell everything. He's trying to change everything. He's trying to change the flow into 360 degree. Close Harvard's funding program, close all the immigrants and sending them back, and putting all the tariffs against many of the countries who are not obliging him. That's it. You don't oblige me, I'll put a tariff against you. Now, does he have a scenario planning? No. The same way as how he has done the business, the same way he is running a country. So how will be for USA? Now with the tariff, there's going to be, the goods flow is going to be very, very hard. The other news, what I said is, what I saw recently was the Louis Vuitton bags. Now those Louis bags were all manufactured in China. Now the tariff came, the China doesn't want to send the bag to USA. So all the bags are being sold at almost 10% of the original price. Now it's going to be a huge loss for the company. Now how it will financially have an impact? American economy will go down. Now there's a strange thing in American economy. All their debts are held as securities and bonds by three countries. One is Japan, another is China, third is UK. Now United Kingdom is not going to do anything. United Kingdom will keep quiet because United Kingdom and USA are a close friend and ally. Now if you are going to oppose China and Japan, they are going to release all those bonds. And how it is going to be? Now when the bonds get flooded, the dollar will become weak and the dollar conversion price will go down. The same way, when these bonds are released in the market, because they want to take back the money, the China wants to take back the money, everybody may not like to hold dollar because dollar is becoming weak, the value of dollar will come down. So Trump is also going to have the second challenge. The second challenge of weakening dollar. The most important challenge will be the prices increasing within America. That will happen along with the mini housing crisis. When there's going to be a mass exodus of people, housing is going to be there, the bank and the housing sector is going to have a big churn in America. With that, will it close? No. All the people will go against Trump. Within America, also outside. Will his mind be very clear in implementing the strategy? No. The big question mark is, can he hold the churn, whatever he is doing? Can he hold and take America into a positive step with the volatility, whatever is creating? If you see the business, whatever he has done, none of his business were very successful. So it will be very big question mark with the Trump taking America into a positive future. It's going to be very, very difficult. And when he was about to take over as the president in second term, the entire Los Angeles and Hollywood was having a world fire, big forest fire. So which means nature was already against him. These are the indications which clearly says America is going to have a choppy life, or the Americans are going to have a choppy life and a very tough economical conditions in the coming 4 years, probably as Trump closes his presidential years. Now, for America, the weakening dollar will be a very big challenging thing, which will take long years to curb. These might be the mentality of sending all the immigrants away to their country. But Americans have forgotten one thing. Their entire growth, their entire strength was built based on immigrants, not their own country people. So that is the other important point, what Americans have forgotten. So for Trump, with America, and also for Americans, it will be a challenging 4-year period before which something will be blown into their face, and it will be very, very difficult to regain their economical power. This is astrologer Jayashree talking about America and Trump.